सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो.
On this auspicious occasion of the Golden Jubilee Year of Sahaja Yoga worldwide, the Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation, a non-profit NGO, introduces you to its maiden film venture, Grihalakshmi The Awakening, based on the teachings of Her Holiness, Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi. The film is based on the awakening of the Kundalini, a process by which a human being can attain a state called self-realization that transforms one to become a beautiful person, and one's life is thereafter filled with the joy of living. This film was conceived as a dream project of Sri Mataji with a message to reach out to the whole world in the shortest possible time using the medium of cinema through the ether element. We made this film for the big screen and released it in April 2019 with a grand opening. By Sri Mataji's grace, the movie was shown in over 51 cities with over 140 screenings across India so far. More than 42,000 people have watched the film, and half of them were new seekers. Experience of self-realization was given after the movie in the cinema theaters by experienced practitioners of Sahaja Yoga. It gives us immense pleasure to have you all watching the film and join our Sahaj Yoga family in large numbers. The film won a Special Mention Award at the 7th Indian Cine Film Festival 2019. As we enter into 2020, the Golden Jubilee Year of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi's Sahaja Yoga, the Immaculate Ideal Human Foundation pays homage to her by presenting this film for small screens, including television, internet, and the online channels to reach out to larger audiences. You can also show it to people whom you love and care for and help them take this experience of joy and happiness. Please do not get up at the end of the film, as there is a short video of Sri Mataji giving you self-realization sitting in the comfort of the cinema theater, which only very few Rishi Munis experienced after many years of penance in the Himalayas. Our foundation appeals to you. If you like the film and our efforts, please support us by visiting our website, iihf.in. Through your generous contributions, such that we continue doing this noble work of making new films. This immaculate work of the divine is the need of the hour. We are already working on our next project, and your support will help us provide you a better cinema option. Together, let's try to bring this change for the betterment of our society, our country, and then the whole world at large. We hope you will enjoy this film as much as we have enjoyed making it.
सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो, सबको जागृति दो. जागो जागो जागो
Oh, where are my two little girls hiding?
Auntie?
Oh, wow.
Auntie!
Look at my two little
Auntie!
beauties.
How are you? Oh,
Both of you are looking so pretty. May God cast away all evil eyes.
You're so sweet. And I'm very upset with you.
Why?
Why are you staying in a hotel? This is not done.
Oh, my dear, this is how London has shaped me up. People there are really very formal. But you tell me something. How come both of you have changed so much? The style, The simplicity, the charisma.
I'll get something for you.
There's no need for that. You come here, sit. And you too. And now tell me, what's the secret? I just can't believe my eyes. The last time I was here, you both just kept fighting all the time. Oh God. How did all that turn into love and when? And my girls back in London, I wonder what has happened to them. They fight over every little thing. I don't know what to do. They just don't respect us anymore. And if we discuss marriage, they just throw tantrums. Only God can save them now.
Don't worry, Auntie. They too will be getting married soon. And whatever we have done, if they too do the same, then they themselves won't believe how quickly their lives turn around.
Did you find a magical spell?
Oh yes, Auntie. We have really found a magical spell.
Oh, really? So tell me, what is it?
We'll tell you all that later. Let's
No,
go.
there's still time for that, my dear. I can't wait. I want to hear it now.
She won't spare us easily. I think we have to tell her now.
Where do we start?
The time when we used to fight.
Auntie, you know how we didn't get along at all, right? And our family was a mess.
Oh, newspaper man. Hey, listen. How many times have I asked you not to throw the paper like this? Every day I repeat the same thing. Idiots. I just don't know how to make these people understand.
Hey, why are you shouting so early in the morning? Send Sheetal fast, I'm getting late.
These girls also don't listen to me either. Sheetal, Samira, get up now. Sheetal, Samira, Dad is waiting for you.
Oh God. Where the hell I've been born? Every day my morning starts with this yelling. And it's Samira, not Samira. Since 24 years, I've been called by a wrong name.
Oh God, I'm so late today.
Why are you grumbling first thing in the morning?
You just go and do your stupid drawings.
That's called interior designing. At least I'm not wasting my time with an MBA.
Oh, hello. You're going to regret saying that when I'll get married to a rich and handsome guy. Not going to cry like you in a middle class family.
Then why are you studying? Wasting 12 lakh rupees.
Hey Sheetal, hurry up! It's getting late.
Sheetal, Papa is waiting for you, dear.
Those are mine. Take them off.
What if I don't? Last week you wore my dress. Did I say anything?
Fine, wear them. But first, get a cup of tea for me. Go.
Why should I do that? Am I a servant?
You look like one.
Ha ha ha. Look who's talking. You only don't have manners. I don't understand why our parents are looking for a match for you. If this is your attitude, nobody is going to marry you.
And where is your decency gone? Need a tight slap on your face?
Stop shouting, you two.
Mom, ask her to talk to me properly.
Mom, you also know who talks properly. Can't do her own stuff.
Stop it. Enjoy all this till you live with your parents. When you'll have your own house and you have to work, then you'll miss it.
For that, you must know how to work.
Sheetal, mind yourself, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to bash you.
Samira! And Sheetal, your father is waiting outside. Hurry up. And you?
Sheetal dear, hurry up!
Bye, Mom.
Get up quickly. You are going to take an hour for exercise now.
I'm so sorry,
What is
Dad.
this, dear?
Samira keeps fighting with me all the time.
It's already late.
There's so much of traffic. I always get stuck here.
That's because there's a big Sahaj meditation center over here.
Dad, that's my friend Mugdha. Can we stop for a second?
Okay.
Give me a minute. Mugdha!
Hi.
Are you going to college?
Yes.
Come.
Hi, Uncle.
Hello, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, Mukta, tell me one thing.
Hmm?
This place is always crowded. And what were
Yes.
you doing here?
Sheetal, I come here for meditation.
What?
Dear, this is a meditation center to get rid of all your mental stress.
Really? I always thought if you do good, be good, God will do the rest.
Dear, there are many things beyond human understanding. Maybe this is where people come for solutions?
But Dad, we can't just follow someone blindly, right? What do these Baba do? They always play with our beliefs, take advantage of our simplicity and basically cheat us.
Sheetal, what you're saying is absolutely right. But where there are thugs, there are also enlightened souls who show us the path of truth. It is only after self-realization that we can say who is a thug, who's a true spiritual master, what's true and what's not. You know?
Mukta, you're a science student. How can you fall for all these cons?
Sheetal, because I'm a science student, that's why I know such things and believe in them too. You must come with me for meditation. Then when you will realize it for yourself, you will know the truth and believe it too. I'm damn sure.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, let's see then.
Dad, please drive faster. I'll be late because of you today.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Wilson. I'll be in London by tomorrow morning, so I'll ask my secretary to set up a meeting post-lunch. That's fine, just email me everything and I'll check it on the flight. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Please send Mrs. Kapoor inside and ask Mr. Seth to get me all the documents that need to be signed. Then I'll leave for the airport. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Arvind.
Okay, Mom, listen, please don't be upset, but I have to go to London on a short notice.
Oh no. Arvind, I've just returned from US-Canada trip this morning and now you want to leave?
Yeah, this one. I know, but what can I do? Sorry, Mom. And I also have to go to America and Canada after for the PM's business meeting.
Oh, that steel magnate Mr. Gupta's daughter will also be there in that meeting, right?
You've been thinking about her.
But of course, I'm the one who's got to look for a girl for you. You won't do anything.
Yeah, so even Granddad found you for my dad. You have to do something similar.
I understand you well. You work on the easy stuff and I always have to do all the hard work around here. But don't you worry. I'm your mother after all. I'll get the best for you.
Yeah, I guess I'll get what's in my destiny. Okay, Mom, I have to go now. I'll call you later at night, okay? And please don't forget to take your medicines.
Okay.
Bye.
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Seth, do you believe in destiny?
Sir, I believe in the all-pervading power that can change a man's destiny.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, please call my car to the porch. Yeah, thank you.
You cannot know the meaning of life unless you are connected to the power that created you.
जागो 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 कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा सहस्त्रार में आके छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमां जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा
I have to say that truth is what it is. You cannot change it. You cannot transform it. So what is the truth? The truth is you are not this body, this mind, these emotions, but you are the pure spirit. But it cannot take you beyond the mind. I am talking about the realm which exists beyond your mind which you have created. This realm of divine love is everywhere. It permeates into everything. It's a happening where there's a breakthrough in your ascent in the evolutionary process. You have reached the human level of human awareness. But you have to go beyond it. And that is what is there within you, the great power of Kundalini.
मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ सदियों से तुम सोई हुई मूलाधार में तुम बैठी हो माँ सदियों से तुम सोई हुई इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको इच्छा हुई पाले तुझको
Mugdha, I can't express how good I'm feeling right now. It's as if all my tensions have just vanished.
Well, that was bound to happen.
जागो कुंडलिनी माँ
Auto!
करो सब पे कृपा
Can you take us to Palam Vihar, J Block?
Let's go. I'm feeling so good today. Absolutely fresh. We'll go again, right?
Yeah.
I felt really good.
One actually feels really good after visiting. There's a sense of belonging.
Dad? Yes, Dad. What? What happened, Dad? But... Okay, fine. Yes, yes. Can you please take us to Metro Hospital?
Tell me, no, what happened?
Mom is in the hospital.
What?
I don't know what's happening.
Calm down, Sheetal.
Please
Everything
hurry
will be
up.
alright. Auntie will be fine. Don't worry.
They're not telling me what's happening.
Relax. Everything will be okay. Please stop here. Sheetal, you go. I'll pay and come.
Mrs. Nath.
Second floor.
Sheetal?
Uncle, how's Mummy?
Everything's fine, dear. It was a mild attack, but the specialist has said that nothing to worry about. I suggest you don't be in the ICU for long, okay? Thank God your father got here in time. Otherwise, anything could have happened. So don't worry, child. Be brave, huh? Everything is under control, okay? Let's go.
Come, sweetie.
Dad.
Sister, 1 minute.
Sit down. Thank God, sweetie, that you told me not to pick you up from the college. And I reached home just in time. Otherwise, I don't know what might have happened. It's okay, sweetie. Calm down. I tried calling Samaira, but her phone is switched off.
I suggest you take some rest now. I'm here.
Sheetal, you should go home now.
No, Dad, I'm not leaving her.
No, my child, you cannot stay here. Please go home.
Sheetal, you can't stay here. Come on, let's go.
Go, sweetie.
Here, take it.
Don't worry. Go.
Don't worry, Sheetal. Everything will be all right. There's nothing to worry about.
Sheetal, how is Auntie?
Mugdha, thank God we went to the center today. Because of which my father reached home early. He could take mom to the hospital in time. Otherwise, I don't know what.
Don't worry, dear. Everything will be all right. Divine power is working.
Come on, dear. Both of you now go home. I'll take care of everything. You're a brave girl, okay? Go. Listen, you take some rest now.
Okay, you look after her. I'll look for Samaira.
Auto!
Sheetal, you take this auto and go home. I'll take another auto. And don't worry at all, okay? Now you go. Divine power will take care. Please take care of yourself, Sheetal. Do not worry, okay? Bye.
Let's go. Samaira? 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 Wake up. Tea. Samaira, you didn't answer our calls last night. Dad called you, I called you so many times. Where were you? Do you know that mom is hospitalized? She had a heart attack. Huh? We all needed you, but where were you? What? Doctor said that there's 90% blockage.
Why didn't you wake me up earlier?
We were calling you since last night.
Come, why are you sitting here? Let's
Where
go to the
are you
hospital.
going right now? Arya, we can't leave like this. You go get ready first and I'm waiting here, okay?
Mr. Nath, her recovery has been remarkable. Patients of her age don't recover so fast. In 5-6 days alone, such improvement. I'm surprised.
It is all because of your hard work and God's grace.
And her good fortune.
No, I'm absolutely completely fine now. I'll be discharged soon. No, there is no reason for you to come from London. I'm not going to die so soon.
Why are you talking like this? You have 2 daughters to take care of.
That's true. Honestly, Sheetal's the only one who has taken care of me for so long.
And Samaira, have you thought about her marriage?
Not now. She's got to complete her MBA first. Once she completes her MBA, then we will think what to do. And what about you? How are Pinky and Pony?
Well, now what do I tell you? Pinky dropped her studies midway and started working as a waitress in some restaurant.
And Pony, I have no clue of what she's doing.
I wish we wouldn't have left India. At least the girls would have had some values.
Trust me. Just get them married and everything will be fine.
It's not possible. You know how these kids are. They don't listen to us at all. They always do what they want to do. They are completely out of our hands now. They won't agree to move back to India.
And finding a good boy here is almost impossible.
And even if we find one, they reject him. So what can I do?
Anyway, things will be okay. Everything works out in the end. Okay, Divya, let me hang up now. I'm going to take rest. Okay? Bye.
So, Ravi, should I sign here?
Hello, Mrs. Singhania.
Hi.
How are you? I'm sorry, Mrs. Singhania. This room has been contaminated. We will have to shift you to another room for a few hours because we have to sterilize this room. Ma'am, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Please cooperate with us. Sister, please have her shifted to room number 305. Come, doctor.
Come. This side. Easy, easy. How are you doing?
Where is she?
Just a patient. Yes.
Hey, you are
Namaste,
here.
Sheetal, how are you?
How are you, Mom?
I'm feeling good. See, your favorite Samira doesn't show up today again. Where is she gone today?
Mom, when I was coming here, she was asleep. And I made some poha, but first you have some prasad.
Oh, my girl has taken care of all the things. Nowadays, even a prasad tastes so amazing.
Who is she?
Just another
Should I
patient.
give her some prasad? I'll be back. Hello, Auntie.
Hi.
Here, take some prasad.
Prasad.
Yes, Auntie.
Oh, it's tasty.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you. I've made some poha also. I'll get that too. Please have some.
No, no thanks.
Try it, ma'am. It's so tasty.
Yes, Auntie. I'll get some for you.
Okay, Sheetal, you stay here. I'll go and take a round and come back.
Here, Ma. Auntie. Have it.
This is tasty too. Is this your own recipe?
Yes, Auntie.
What to say, ma'am? Ever since I got admitted to the hospital, she has suddenly grown up so much. It feels as if she has been running the house for ages now.
I've got power and responsibility in my hands, Mom. And the reason is meditation.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Sheetal.
Hi.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi.
She is my elder daughter, Samira.
Samaira. Come on, Mom. Stop spoiling my name.
She is doing MBA. And why was your phone switched off yesterday?
As usual, battery was low, you see. By the way, Mom, ever since you have been hospitalized, I haven't eaten properly at all.
But why? I left you some parathas on the table.
No way. Those parathas have made me fat. Look at me.
There was poha too.
I don't like poha.
Okay, Mom. I'm getting late for college. I'll see you soon.
Okay. Bye, dear.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye.
I couldn't do my exercise today because I had to be here.
Do you do your exercise every day?
Yes, Auntie. You need to keep yourself fit, right?
That's true.
Yeah.
Mrs. Singhania, your private suite is ready. We are going to shift you there very soon. And I'm really sorry for the delay. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, okay,
Sister,
doctor.
please get her shifted.
Mrs. Nath, it was lovely meeting you. And both your beautiful daughters have been great company for me. And please tell them that they must come and meet me in my new room
Yes,
every
sure,
day.
definitely.
Okay, see you.
Take care.
You too.
Bye.
Madam, as you had ordered, neither Arvind sir nor the media got wind of this. That is the advantage of a low-profile hospital. Everything is normal.
Very good.
All your reports are good, but they might keep you under observation for a couple of days.
Yes, that's it.
Auntie, your room is actually quite big. And I've got something for you. Here, take it.
And have you made this?
Yes, Auntie.
Wow. Sheetal, can I ask you something?
Yes, Auntie.
You know, that day you were talking about meditation.
Mm-hmm.
I also chant mantras and meditate too. So, what's so special about this meditation of yours?
Actually, Auntie, I don't think I can explain that accurately, but I have a video. I can show you that. And then you'll clearly understand what that is. I'll just get it.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
It's called as Kundalini because it is coiled in 3.5 coils. It is resting in the triangular bone called as sacrum. That shows that the Greeks knew that it was a sacred bone. Now this is the energy that has to be awakened, and when it is awakened, it rises through 6 very subtle energy centers and pierces through the fontanelle bone area. And then you feel as if a cool breeze is coming out of your fontanelle bone. But this is just like a connection with the mains as we have for every instrument. With this happening, you become a self-realized person in the sense that you develop a new dimension in your awareness, in your central nervous system.
समा जाओ माँ मज्जा में अभी सभी चक्र तुम निरंजन
Does this really happen?
गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको गणेशा स्वयं पूजे तुझको शरण में तेरी
This is really fantastic.
गलिनी माँ
This meditation has been really good for me. The tensions we accumulate in our daily lives, all of that is taken away from our minds. Today, my identity, the person I am, whatever my destiny has given me, I'm happy with it, satisfied with it. Auntie, getting over my problems, the joy of spreading happiness in the world that I could never experience before, I can feel it now. And now I have a new motivating factor. The colors of this world, the beauty of this world, feelings that I could never knew existed, I can relish them now. All the problems of my life, all the difficulties, the pains, the miseries, I get through them easily now. I find solution to all the problems in my life through this meditation. And that is the ultimate objective of life, isn't it? You know, I think you cannot know the meaning of life unless you're connected to the power that created you.
You are doing well, Mrs. Singhania. We'll discharge you soon.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, doctor, please come. Please ensure her BP is maintained. Come.
Hi, Auntie.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good.
Come.
Your room is so good. It's
You like it?
beautiful.
Come and sit. Come.
Okay.
2 teas, please. Have it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What?
You know, I also started smoking when I was your age.
Oh God, you noticed?
Alcohol also.
Yeah.
In fact, wine is still my favorite drink.
Really?
Wow. And you like to party, I know.
I love to party. Yes.
I also used to party a lot. I never had any time for my family. I used to only hang out with my friends.
Yeah.
I was just like you, carefree, always chilling.
Yeah. Really, it's crazy.
Hello, brother-in-law.
Oh,
Hi,
How are you?
brother. Hi, Purnima.
Come,
brother-in-law.
Mathur. It's nice to see you. How are you?
Fine, fine. Where are the girls?
How are you?
I'm doing good. You?
Good.
Come, have a seat. So, how's life?
Come,
Good,
sit.
good. Thank you.
Oh, having breakfast?
Yes, yes. Please join.
Didi, where are the girls?
Sheetal is at the meditation center. And Samira, she's sitting alone in her room with face pack on her face and is grieving for her failure in MBA.
Kids these days, they apply a face pack for anything that happens.
Oh, brother-in-law, you know how kids are.
Listen, sister, you'll have to change his entire lifestyle now. This crockery, these curtains. You'll have to change your living like rich people, isn't it, Purnima?
Absolutely.
And why would we do that?
Sister, I've got some really good news for you.
What are you trying to say, Chintu?
Sister, let me tell you, my niece Samaira is a very lucky girl.
Chintu, now tell us, no, what is it?
I found a boy for Samaira. Brother, you should start with the preparations.
A boy?
But who is the boy? Where is he from? What is the family like?
He's the kind of boy Samaira has always dreamt of.
Now stop joking. Does he own a private jet plane or something big?
Well, it is something similar only. Do you remember Mrs. Singhania? Gayatri Singhania?
That Gayatri Singhania, whom I met at the hospital.
Yes, exactly. Her only son, Arvind Singhania. He's worth 5,000 crore rupees. Brother, Samaira will have as many jet planes as she wants.
Oh my, those people are so rich. Are you telling the truth?
Sister, Samaira is like my daughter. Why will I joke about her?
Sister, I'll give the news to Samaira myself. And yes, keep our expensive Kanjivaram sari ready.
Yes, yes, you'll get your sari too. But first take some sweets.
Come on, let's
Thank
have some
you.
sweets.
You do have some.
Thank you, sister. Thank you.
But I don't want to get married, Auntie.
At least meet the boy once.
I'm supposed to get married or you?
Obviously you are. We've found a good boy for you and the marriage is almost finalized.
Finalized?
Look, Samaira, there aren't many good guys left. The rich guys are usually very spoiled. Somehow, we found a good guy and we can't let him go. You meeting him is just a formality.
Formality? Auntie, I'm not going to get married without seeing the boy.
Oh dear, you're getting to meet him, no? If you don't want to, don't. As it is, he doesn't earn much. Just 5,000.
5,000.
5,000 crore.
5,000 crore?
Yes, you heard me right. 5,000 crore.
Auntie, you're not joking with me, right?
Wow. He's so handsome.
Show me, please.
But you
Show
don't want to
me.
get married, right?
He's so handsome, Auntie.
And he's so rich.
But if you don't like him, we'll say no
Not
to him.
at all, Auntie. I like this guy very much.
I have no idea what Mrs. Singhania liked about you. Ever since she's
What?
come back from the hospital, you're all she talks about.
Is he Gayatri Singhania Auntie's son?
Yes, dear.
Oh, I can't believe this. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm so
So should we say no to him? At least wash your face.
Samara! Hi! I'm so happy for you. You look so pretty.
Thanks. They are coming on 22nd. And mind it, you're gonna get me ready, okay?
You look so happy. Listen. On the 22nd, I have a meditation seminar. I'm in the organizing team. It's important. I can't ditch.
What nonsense! This meditation and all is bullshit. You gain nothing out of it. It's just waste of time. And they treat you like a servant over there. Give some attention to yourself. God also takes care of those who take care of themselves. Look at me. How fit I am. How beautiful I am. That's why I have a proposal from such a rich family. Learn something from me. And get out of this meditation.
Samira, I am doing this meditation for my own transformation. I really need this. Please try to understand.
I don't want to hear anything. Now you decide. Either meditation or me.
Why are you talking like this? I'll ask Mugdha to come and return before they arrive, okay? I love you, right? I love you. Please don't be angry.
I love you too. Hey, look at this. So many friends have already congratulated me on social media.
Wow, Samira. Who is this?
Oh, that guy from Chandigarh.
You're still talking to him?
Yes, why not?
You're impossible. Who are these strange people?
Come in. Let's see.
Please come. She's my sister-in-law and she's my
Namaste.
daughter's friend Mugdha.
Namaste, Auntie.
Please come.
Welcome.
Have a seat.
Only if it's urgent.
Please have some tea before going.
Oh, they're just servants.
Is it?
Please have a seat, ma'am.
Please.
Thank you. I'll get some snacks, okay?
Okay.
Come, Mugdha.
Okay, Auntie.
Ma'am, we could never imagine that God would be so kind to us. We hadn't even dreamt of such a good family for our daughter to...
Ma'am, Now you must be feeling much better than before.
Oh, it's going to be even better now.
Yes, please get it, dear.
Please have
Thank
auntie.
you.
I'm very sorry, but please excuse me for a minute.
Yeah, sure, son.
Please have.
Uncle, please have.
Please.
Thank you.
Please have some.
Thank you, dear.
Just one.
You do have some.
No, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Mrs. Singhania, we have taught our children good cultures and values only. They know nothing about the ways of affluent families.
Mr. Nath, that's why we are here. But where's she?
I'll go and get her.
Yes, get her.
Arvind here was going to London from Canada. When I told him, better come back for a while.
And I came running.
How nice of you. Here she comes.
Hi, Auntie.
How are you? Lovely.
I'm good. Thank you.
This is Arvind, my son.
Hi.
Hi.
Whenever I look at her, I remember my youth. She looks just like me, carefree. But when Arvind's father passed away, then I realized I had a lot of regret that I could not be a good companion to him. So that's when I decided that I want a simple girl who will be a companion for my son Arvind. But where is she, for who my son has come all the way from Canada? What's happened? And where is she?
Ma'am, she's sitting right next to you.
Dr. Mathur, what's this I'm hearing? I never asked for Samaira's hand in marriage. What's the confusion here? I hope you haven't misunderstood me.
What is this, Mom? This is very embarrassing.
Are you talking about Sheetal?
Yes. Where is Sheetal?
Samaira?
Dr. Mathur, what is this confusion? I told you. I told you I wanted a simple girl. I said that specially. You've created a misunderstanding even before the two families have got together. How am I going to
Ma'am,
face those
please,
girls?
Listen, let's sit down and talk. Please, ma'am.
Please, ma'am, please.
Please.
Have a seat.
Please sit
I'm
down.
really upset.
Listen to me.
But, ma'am, Samira is my elder daughter. And ideally, she should get married first.
Ma'am, that's why this confusion happened. See, I also felt that Samaira is the elder one and her lifestyle is so similar to your lifestyle.
Samaira is a lovely girl, no doubt. But in my mind, Sheetal is the perfect wife for Arvind. In fact, she's the perfect Greh Lakshmi. Anyway, where is Sheetal?
She's at the meditation center. She'll be here any minute.
Sheetal, we were waiting for you.
Namaste, Auntie.
Here she comes.
I'm so sorry I'm late. Here, take some prasad.
Yes, have some.
Thank you.
Hi, thank you.
Auntie, you also take. Mom, is anything wrong?
Sheetal,
Where is Samaya?
Sheetal, come with me. Come.
you go with
What's
her.
happening?
Let me tell you what has happened.
Ma'am,
Yes, come.
I'm really very sorry. There was some misunderstanding.
She's in her room. Sheetal, dear, Samaira is very hurt. You take care of her. Only you can comfort her right now.
Samaira?
You already knew this, right?
What are you saying, Samaira? And how will I know all of this?
Don't try to act innocent, okay? Since childhood, you have been taking away everything from me. But today, you have crossed all the limits.
Okay, Samaira. Calm down. Whatever that you're thinking right now, it's completely wrong. There's nothing like that. 1 second. Have some water.
Why water? Get poison for me.
Listen, I really didn't know anything. Auntie just told me everything.
But now that you know it, Go get married to him. After all, you like all this, right?
It's not about like or dislike. The proposal that came for you cannot be meant for me, and why would I accept it?
So you don't want to get married? Go and say no to them. Go. Go.
No, Sheetal. This is
Auntie,
not the
I
right
really
time.
have to talk
no,
to
dear
her.
child. She's very hurt right now. But you're sensible, right? Don't do anything foolish.
Arvind, let's go.
Where are you lost, Auntie? I guess she's too shocked to react.
Auntie, the twist in the tale is yet to come.
Oh my god. So much happened. I can't believe it. Go on. What happened after that?
Auntie, this girl, she actually went ahead and rejected the proposal. Actually, Sheetal was their choice. But she rejected life of abundance and wealth.
You only tell me, Auntie. How could I accept a proposal which was meant for Samaira? Finally, they left and everything was over.
But you know that multi-millionaire family could not believe at all that a middle-class girl can reject their proposal. For the first time in their lives, they were shocked. Then what? Both mother and son decided that their Graha Lakshmi would be Sheetal only, no matter what.
They made a wise choice.
Look, Samira, you really need to act like an elder sister now. Make her understand, convince her somehow. This is a big proposal. They themselves have made so many efforts.
Please understand, dear.
Sheetal, my life has become hell because of you. Please accept Arvind's proposal and release me from this guilt.
Okay. But I have two conditions. First, you come with me for meditation tomorrow. And second, before me. You have to get married.
Okay. Okay.
सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो। सोई आत्मा में प्रकाश भरो, जो बिखरे हैं चित्त एकत्रित करो। तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे, तभी दूर होंगे अंधेरे। रोशनी में तेरी जागो कुंडलिनी माँ, जागो कुंडलिनी माँ। करो सब पे कृपा।
It is born with you, and all of us have a birthright to get this spontaneous yoga, that is the union with the divine. We must reach that state of awareness where we become aware of a higher seeking within us. If you have to sprout a seed, you just put it in the Mother Earth, and the seed has a capacity to become the plant, and the Mother Earth has a capacity to sprout it. In the same way, this happening has to take place. Today that time has come. That time has come. The time of judgment has come. And at this time, we have to see that we'll be judging ourselves, but not by some sort of a weight or some sort of an authority, but by something which is within us, which we call as the Kundalini, is placed in the triangular bone called as sacrum. And she is reflected within us as the Kundalini. In our heart is reflected God Almighty. It is He who is the witness of whatever we are doing. This power manifests everything within us and then resides in a sleeping state in that triangular bone and is said to be residual because it has not yet manifested itself. This is the power of our desire, which is true, and the only desire we have, which is pure. When you get your realization, when the Kundalini comes up and she touches the seat of God here, immediately in your heart, the reflection of God starts emitting cool vibrations from your hands also. When it starts happening, you are amazed that all around you, you feel the subtle power of God, the power of Islam, what we call the all-pervading Brahma, what we call the Chaitanya. That's how you start feeling it.
तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी, तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे.
And Navneet, how did he come into Samira's life? And how did you agree to his proposal?
Sheetal, you say. Should I? Yeah. So, Auntie, this happened the very next day.
तेरी आंगुरियां हैं स्पर्श करें उन छिद्रों को जो चक्र भये, ऐसी तेरी धुन है बह जाए, हर नस झंकार से भर जाए. हर गीत में लय, हर लय में तू, मैं खुद को भूला जाता हूँ। अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है, अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है, तेरे प्यार की सरगम बन जाऊं, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी।
Our marriage is stuck because of you. How many more guys will you reject?
Look, even I want my Mr. Right. How can I get married to anyone?
Don't listen to him, he just says anything.
You know my mom. She looks for a reason to celebrate. And because of you, her biggest celebration is held up.
Dude, this is just a start, okay? You are going to be properly punished.
Hey, how much more? You have already sentenced us for 6 months.
A little more?
Little more. Little more.
Oh, so you agreed to marry that unemployed NGO fellow out of pressure, is it?
No, auntie. There is something else entirely.
Why? Is he some underworld don or into child trafficking?
Oh, Sheetal, you girls are gossiping here and everyone is waiting out there.
Come on, let's go.
We're
let's
coming.
Go.
No, you can't leave like this. I want to know the entire story.
Sheetal will take 10 minutes to reach there.
Come on,
no,
let's go.
girls,
Let's go.
Later,
Come on,
later,
auntie.
later. Let's go.
Jintu, you take care of that.
The market is really crashing now.
Yes, you're right.
Hello, Navneet.
Hello, auntie.
Hello, auntie.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Singh. How are you and you, dear? Where is Mrs. Singh?
Ah,
she
she's
hasn't
also good.
come.
They have
Please
also
help
come.
yourself. Namaste.
Hello.
How are you?
Thank you. How
Everything
are
is
you?
fine. Have you had anything?
Yes, this color looks lovely on you.
How are you?
I will ask you for the designer's number.
Very well. Yeah. And children? Where is
Hello,
your
auntie.
Namaste. Where is your mom? Where is your brother?
They are
coming?
coming.
Okay.
Yes, auntie.
Okay. So this is how things are going to
And boys, should I get something for you?
No,
No,
auntie,
auntie,
we
we
are
are
good.
good. Thank you.
Where are the girls?
Yes, Mr. Nath. Have you called the children? Please check where are they?
I have sent Magda to call them. Oh, here they come.
Wow, I never knew she could look so stunning.
Samaira is the only girl who liked me without knowing my identity.
And we'll take it
Mom?
up from there.
Namaste, uncle. Namaste.
Thank you.
How?
Congratulations.
Hi.
Hi. Namaste.
God bless. Come.
Hello.
Oh God, I can't take the suspense anymore. Listen, do you know Navneet? What does he do? Is he a drug peddler?
Auntie, what
No,
are you
really,
saying?
tell me.
Excuse me.
Thank you, auntie.
I have an announcement to make.
Come on.
Navneet asked me not to say, but I can't hide it anymore. He was my senior in college. We were in the same university in America. He belongs to a very well-known business family from London.
Wow.
Well, he hated the high life and wanted to do something for the society. That's why he came to India. And I guess it was in his destiny to meet Samaira.
Sister, you didn't tell me?
Actually, Sheetal told me about Navneet yesterday only and made me promise to keep it a secret.
Congrats.
Listen, Mugdha, come here. You are such a sweetheart. You'll also
Thank you,
find a
Auntie.
perfect match very soon.
Come
Listen,
on,
Nita,
Auntie.
change the life of my girls too. I'll sponsor your trip to London.
Just start practicing Sahaj meditation. Then see the magic.
But won't we have to come to India for that?
Sahaj meditation has centers all across the world. You don't need to come to India for that.
But isn't that very expensive?
No, Sahaj meditation is absolutely free.
Really, it's free?
Yes, absolutely free.
Congratulations, dear sister. Congratulations, brother.
तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी। तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी।
Lakshmi has been evolved and developed by the divine. Lakshmi principle has to subdue the hatred between the children, between the husband and the children. She is the source of that peace which subdues hatred to smooth out all angularities of people, which creates friction. The basic principle of a Grahalakshmi is to respect her chastity. The housewife has to know that she is not docile. She is obedient to her own righteousness, to her own virtues, to her own qualities. She has not to be dominating. She has to remove the dominating forces of others. She is the source of peace. She is the source of joy. And she is the peacemaker.
तेरी आंगुरियां हैं स्पर्श करें उन छिद्रों को जो चक्र भये। ऐसी तेरी धुन है बह जाए हर नस झंकार से भर जाए। हर गीत में लय हर लय में तू मैं खुद को भूला जाता हूँ। अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है, अब जी तो मेरा ये चाहता है। तेरे प्यार की सरगम बन जाऊं, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी। तब देह मेरा बांसुरी बने, सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे। सब राग मधुर स्वर में बजे, स्वर में बजे।
The history of evolution, in the history of spirituality, is the most important time, because here where you will get whatever has been promised to you. It is born with you the right to become united, which is the yoga, with the divine. We have two sides in our system of autonomous nervous system, left and right, which we call as left and right sympathetic nervous system. The left side caters for our emotions, for our past, our desires. The right side caters for our action, physical and mental. If you indulge into one too much and go too far with it, you develop an imbalance within yourself. This is the left side, this is the right side. So this is the left sympathetic nervous system, say, and this is the right sympathetic nervous system. And really, spinal cord looks like this. And inside here is the spinal cord, which has the centers in it, the subtle centers. Now, when you start using the energy of these centers, say too much on the right, and it starts moving more towards the right, and there's a constriction. And the power becomes less because you are exhausting. Going more towards the right side. Suddenly something happens, and from the left, if there's a jerk, then the connection is completely broken. In the center lies the third power, which we call as parasympathetic nervous system. This is the channel which is the central path of ascent. When the Kundalini rises through it, it brings you in the balance because it rises in the center of the system. There are so many diseases which are more psychosomatic than physical. And these, we call them as incurable, can be easily cured by Kundalini awakening, because when Kundalini passes through this, she just integrates them, just like she strings them. And also she nourishes that center. That's how people get cured. Automatically, by themselves, by their own power. This is the last breakthrough of our evolution, where you have to get connected with the divine, you have to feel it on your central nervous system, and that's how you get your self-realization.
सहस्त्रार में आके सहस्त्रार में आके छू ही लेंगे वो हम आसमां जागो कुंडलिनी माँ करो सब पे कृपा.
At the very outset, we have to understand not to
С
feel
самого
guilty
начала мы должны
at all
понять, что мы
about
не должны
anything
чувствовать вину
because you
по
forget your
какому бы то ни
past.
было поводу.
Not to feel
Не чувствуйте себя виноватыми.
You are not to say that
Не
you have done
говорите,
this
что
wrong,
сделали
that
это
wrong,
неправильно,
not to
то
count any
неправильно.
mistakes.
Не считайте своих
After all,
ошибок.
you are human
В
being.
конце концов, вы
And only
человеческие
human beings
существа,
can make mistakes.
а человеческие
You're not
существа
God.
могут ошибаться,
So
вы
there's
не
nothing
Бог.
to condemn
Так что
yourself
нечего
for
себя
anything,
осуждать ни за что,
because now if you
потому
have
что
to enter
теперь
into the kingdom of God,
вам нужно
why
войти
should you
в
condemn
Царство
yourself?
Божье. Зачем вам осуждать себя?
You should be in a very pleasant mood towards yourself.
Вы должны быть в
Very
очень
pleasant
хорошем
mood.
состоянии, очень
And know
приятно
that you are a human
расположитесь.
being and a little journey has to be
Вам
done.
предстоит совершить небольшое путешествие.
It's very simple.
Это очень
I really
просто.
tell you,
Я действительно говорю вам, все очень просто. Так что не впадайте в депрессию. Также люди некоторые постоянно сомневаются, получу я это или нет. И я с уверенностью скажу, вы все это получите, но не становитесь заносчивыми. Итак, давайте начнем.
Put your left hand towards me like this to begin with. Later on, we'll go into a real awakening, but just now I'll tell you
Направьте
how.
левую руку ко мне.
Left hand towards me, symbolically you are expressing
Символически вы выражаете свое желание,
your self-love.
что вы хотите
Then
реализовать
your
себя.
right hand, you put it on your
Тогда
heart,
свою правую
which is
руку
a
вы
center
положите на сердце.
where
Это центр, в котором находится дух.
in human beings,
В человеческих существах он пребывает в сердце.
so first we put it in the
Итак, сначала мы кладем нашу руку на сердце.
on the upper part of our abdomen, on the
Затем
left hand
переносим
side.
руку на верхнюю
We work
часть
out
живота с
everything on
левой
the left
стороны.
hand side.
Мы будем прорабатывать все по левой стороне. Здесь центр вашего мастерства, который создан всеми пророками и всеми учителями для нас. Итак, вы помещаете руку на верхнюю часть живота по левой стороне.
Then you place it
Потом
in the lower part of your abdomen. In the lower part of
Потом
your
мы
abdomen on
нажмем
the
на
left hand
нижнюю
side.
часть живота слева. Это очень важный центр, потому что это центр, который проявляет истинные знания на вашей нервной
So
системе.
this is also a
Так
very
что это тоже
important
очень
center.
важный центр.
Then you raise your kundalini by
Затем вы
putting your
поднимаете
hand
свою
on
кундалини,
again
опять
on
положив
the center of
на
the
центр
master, that is
выше живота, центр мастера, учителя. Сильно нажмите. Теперь вы снова прижимаете руку к сердцу. Теперь свою руку переместите в угол между шеей и плечом и поверните голову направо. Это центр, который блокируется, когда вы чувствуете вину. Вы чувствуете себя ущербными и пытаетесь унижать себя. Этот центр вы блокируете. Итак, держим правую руку так. Ваша рука на левой стороне, но голова повернута вправо. Теперь положим центр нашей правой ладони на лоб. Прошу прощения, мы перемещаем правую руку на лоб, поперек. И голову наклоняем, где вы должны попросить прощения. Чтобы простить других, значит, надо сказать: «Я всех прощаю». Теперь некоторые могут сказать, что это довольно сложно, но простите вы или нет, это миф. Итак, если вы не прощаете, тогда вы играете не в свою пользу. Так что лучше простить. Я считаю, что это очень сложно для людей прощать других. Даже просто сказать, когда они приходят ко мне, я вижу, что они не чувствуют вибрации. Итак, от всего сердца постарайтесь полностью простить всех. Теперь положите свою руку на затылок вашей головы и откиньте голову назад. Здесь вам нужно попросить прощения у божественности, не считая своих ошибок, без чувства вины. Просто для своего удовольствия. Теперь вам нужно расправить ладонь, растянуть пальцы, приложить центр вашей ладони к макушке вашей головы, наклоняя голову вот так. Вот здесь, где находится область родничка, которая была мягкой костью в вашем детстве. Расположите вашу правую руку так, как я показываю, сильно надавите, оттопырив пальцы вверх и двигайте кожу головы по часовой стрелке медленно 7 раз. Затем приподнимем и опустим руку. После этого вам нужно будет закрыть глаза. Сейчас двигаем 7 раз медленно. Теперь вам, возможно, придется закрыть глаза. Пожалуйста, не открывайте глаза, в этом нет никакого гипноза. Кроме того, вашему вниманию нужно быть помещенными внутри, так что лучше закрыть глаза. Это вам очень поможет, если вы закроете глаза, пока не скажу вам их открыть. Это поможет вам сохранить внимание внутри. Поставьте ноги на уровне плеч, свободно. Положите правую руку на сердце. Можете снять свои очки, чтобы быть более расслабленными. Теперь, когда вы кладете руку на сердце, вы должны задать мне очень важный вопрос. Вы можете называть меня Шри Матаджи, мать. Я дух. Задайте этот вопрос 3 раза. В своем сердце задайте этот вопрос. Являюсь ли я духом? Если вы дух, то вы сам себе учитель, сам себе хозяин. И все пророки построили центр в вашем существе, с левой стороны живота, верхней части. Положите руку сюда и сильно нажмите. И здесь вы задаете еще один вопрос 3 раза. Мать, я сам себе хозяин. Мать, я сам себе учитель. 3 раза. Теперь перенесите, пожалуйста, правую руку на нижнюю часть живота с левой стороны. Как я сказала вам, это центр чистого знания, которое проявляется на вашей центральной нервной системе. Но я не могу вас заставить. Вы свободны выбирать. Я уважаю вашу свободу. Итак, до тех пор, пока вы не попросите меня, я не могу даровать или заставить вас принять что-либо. Итак, вы должны сказать: «Мать, пожалуйста, дай мне чистое знание». Пожалуйста, скажите это 6 раз. Потому что в этом центре 6 лепестков, в этой чакре. Когда вы просите чистого знания, кундалини начинает двигаться вверх. Итак, мы должны раскрыть свои высшие центры с уверенностью в себе. Поднимите правую руку на верхнюю часть живота с левой стороны и скажите с полной уверенностью в себе 10 раз: «Мать, я сам себе хозяин». Пожалуйста, скажите это 10 раз. Самая большая истина о вас заключается в том, что вы не это тело, вы не этот ум, вы не этот интеллект, вы не являетесь вашими условностями, вы не являетесь своими эмоциями, вы не ваше эго, но вы есть Дух. Итак, пожалуйста, поднимите руку на свое сердце еще раз и скажите с полной уверенностью 12 раз: «Мать, я есть Дух». Пожалуйста, произнесите это 12 раз. Пожалуйста, произнесите это с полной уверенностью 12 раз. Мать, я есть Дух. Теперь мы должны знать, что Божественное — это океан любви и знания. Это океан сострадания и благословения. Но прежде всего, это океан прощения. И какие бы ошибки мы ни совершили, все они могут быть легко растворены в этом океане. Итак, мы должны простить себя, мы должны положить нашу руку на угол между нашим плечом и нашей шеей. С самого начала мы должны понять, что мы не должны чувствовать вину по какому бы то ни было поводу. Не чувствуйте себя виноватыми. Не говорите, что сделали это неправильно, то неправильно. Не считайте своих ошибок. В конце концов, вы человеческие существа, а человеческие существа могут ошибаться. Вы не Бог. Так что нечего себя осуждать ни за что. Это всепроникающая сила любви Бога. Мать — это Брахма Чайтанья. Задайте любой из этих вопросов 3 раза. Теперь опустите руки, пожалуйста. Смотрите на меня, и вы можете смотреть на меня и не думать. Посмотрите на свои руки. Чувствуете ли вы прохладный ветерок? Может быть, 1 или 2 пальца могут немного гореть, неважно. Это сигналы ваших центров. Теперь те, кто почувствовал прохладный ветерок из головы или на кончиках пальцев, пожалуйста, поднимите обе ваши руки.
Now put down your hands, please. Now watch me. You can watch me without thinking. Now see in your hands if you are feeling the cool breeze. Maybe one or two fingers, maybe a little bit burning, doesn't matter, suggesting your centers. Now those who have felt a cool breeze out of their head or on their fingertips, please raise both your hands.
हर दिल में तेरा ही गान बसे, तेरी धुन में मगन हर जीव रसे, हर जीव रसे। बेहोश नहीं ये गौरव है, रोशन चेतन की गुंजन है। जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने, जब मस्त हुए तो क्या कहने। मेरी शक्ति ही मधु पूजन है, तेरी सांसों की जब एक लड़ी, सुख मन मेरी को भर देगी। आनंद की इन बौछारों में तेरी पावनता के दीप जले, इतना रोशन मुझे करते चले। दिल के भीतर कई राग छिड़े, हर राग में नव इंसान जगे। ऐसा मंथन रस रूप धरे, सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे। सब गण हर कण तेरी रास रचे, तब जीवन स्वर्ग का धाम बने।